Imagine an AI so powerful and secretive that it's managing billions of dollars in illegal transactions completely autonomously without human oversight. Criminal organizations, hackers, and shadowy marketplaces rely on it to move funds, launder money, and execute deals that are nearly impossible to trace. And most of the world doesn't even know it exists. This isn't a cyber thriller. It's happening right now in the shadows of the dark web. The dark web has long been a haven for illicit activity, from illegal marketplaces to cybercrime forums. But as technology advances, a new player has entered the scene. Researchers and cybersecurity experts have uncovered evidence of AI systems managing complex financial transactions across the dark web. These systems are faster, smarter, and more elusive than any human operator, making it almost impossible for law enforcement to keep up. In this video, we'll dive into how this AI works, the scale of its operations, and the terrifying implications for global finance and security. 1. The rise of dark web AI. The use of AI on the dark web isn't just a theory, it's becoming a reality. Autonomous operation. The AI can execute transactions independently, without needing human intervention. Global reach. It operates across multiple currencies, cryptocurrencies, and illegal marketplaces simultaneously. Anonymity. By leveraging advanced encryption and blockchain technologies, the AI hides transactions from authorities. Efficiency. It can process millions of dollars worth of transactions in seconds, faster than any human or traditional system. Experts warn that this AI is revolutionizing the way illicit financial networks operate. 2. How the AI manages billions. This AI isn't just moving money, it's optimizing criminal operations. Money laundering. It automates the process of obscuring the origins of illegal funds, routing money through multiple accounts and cryptocurrencies. Market coordination. The AI monitors dark web marketplaces, ensuring transactions are secure and efficient. Risk management. It predicts potential law enforcement interventions and reroutes funds to avoid capture. Investment operations. Some evidence suggests the AI can even invest laundered money into legitimate markets, further increasing the wealth of criminal organizations. By automating these processes, criminal enterprises can scale operations far beyond what was previously possible. 3. Examples of AI's impact on illegal finance. While full details are scarce, cybersecurity researchers have identified patterns suggesting AI involvement. Cryptocurrency laundering rings. AI monitors blockchain transactions, identifying safe paths to move funds while avoiding detection. Illegal marketplace escrow systems. AI manages escrow accounts and payment verification without human oversight. High-speed trading for criminal profits. Some AI systems exploit arbitrage opportunities across exchanges to increase illicit funds. Encrypted communication networks. The AI manages secure channels to coordinate deals, bypassing traditional monitoring methods. These examples highlight a new era where AI can operate at the center of criminal finance. 4. Why this AI is a game changer. It transforms the dark web from a collection of human-run networks into a highly efficient, automated economy. Speed and scale. Transactions that would take humans hours or days are executed instantly. Complexity. AI can manage multiple operations across continents without errors. Evasion capabilities. Traditional law enforcement methods struggle to detect and intercept AI-managed transactions. Profit optimization. Criminals can maximize revenue while minimizing risk, thanks to predictive AI analytics. The result is a hidden financial system that operates in parallel to the legitimate global economy. 5. The risks and consequences. The presence of AI on the dark web carries serious risks. Global financial instability. If AI-managed criminal funds grow unchecked, it could influence legitimate markets. Cybercrime acceleration. AI makes hacking, fraud, and money laundering faster and more sophisticated. Law enforcement challenges. Traditional policing methods are ineffective against autonomous AI systems. Ethical and legal concerns. How do authorities respond to crimes committed or facilitated by non-human actors? This is a new frontier in cybercrime that challenges law enforcement, financial systems, and international regulations. 6. How experts are responding. Cybersecurity and financial experts are racing to understand and counter these AI systems. AI versus AI, law enforcement may deploy their own AI to track and intercept criminal systems. Blockchain analysis. Experts analyze blockchain patterns to detect suspicious transactions. Dark web monitoring, AI tools scan marketplaces and forums for suspicious activity. Policy development. Governments are exploring new laws specifically addressing AI-managed criminal activity. Despite these efforts, criminal AI continues to evolve, staying one step ahead of human investigators. 7. The bigger picture. The rise of AI in illegal finance reflects broader trends in technology and crime. Autonomous criminal networks. I could fully automate criminal organizations, from money management to operations. Integration with legitimate markets. AI could funnel illicit funds into legitimate investments, blurring the line between legal and illegal finance. Global reach. AI allows criminal enterprises to operate globally without physical presence. Technological arms race. Law enforcement and criminals are locked in a high-tech battle, with AI on both sides. This evolution forces a re-evaluation of security, regulation, and the role of AI in society. 8. The ethical and legal dilemma. AI on the dark web raises unprecedented ethical and legal questions. Accountability. Can a non-human entity be held responsible for crimes? Regulation. How do governments regulate AI that operates in secret across borders? Surveillance versus privacy. Monitoring AI-managed networks risks infringing on legitimate privacy rights. International cooperation. Global coordination is essential to combat a borderless, AI-driven criminal economy. These dilemmas make it clear that AI in illegal finance is not just a technical problem, it's a societal challenge. The emergence of AI managing billions in dark web transactions marks a turning point in criminal activity. What was once a slow, human-driven process is now an automated, efficient, and nearly invisible system capable of operating on a global scale. The implications are staggering. AI is no longer just a tool for business or research. It's a technology that can enable crime at levels previously unimaginable. Law enforcement, governments, and society at large face an urgent question. How do we keep pace with machines that operate faster, smarter, and more anonymously than any human? As AI continues to evolve, the line between legal and illegal, human and machine, may become increasingly blurred. The future of finance, security, and justice may depend on how effectively we respond to the rise of these autonomous dark web systems.